Hi guys, this is Northwest Sasquatch Research and Studies. So we got a bear over here, down there somewhere. And then there's something making all sorts of racket over there. Just trees moving around and branches breaking. You hear that? What the fuck is that? What the hell? They took a tree down. Oh my god. My adrenaline's pumping. You guys might be, I don't know how to explain. There's a damn bear, and now there's something bigger over there knocking trees down. I've never in my life had this happen. Well, Katie, you might see Bigfoot today. I don't know what to do. We can't really do much because there's a damn bear down below us. It's getting too dark too, dang it. God, it sucks. I have to watch both ways because I don't want that bear coming up on us. That is crazy. Whatever that was, it took a tree down. That is intense. That made my adrenaline pump more than the bear did. I hear elk, but that's over there. That knocked a tree down, whatever that is.
On an active spot, bear, elk, and whatever the fuck that is.
This is crazy. So now we're hearing elk down on the other over that way. And then there's something tearing trees down over here. And then there's a bear
In the middle.
in the middle. Whoop! Sorry. Bear just like huffed at me. You guys might not believe me, but there's legitimately a bear below us, and there's something tearing trees down over there, and then there is an elk over there. I'm gonna have to end this one and restart it.